All right, people, welcome to Marley Acres, where we have host Old Harbour Bay United versus Black Lion in the St. Catherine FA Major League competition. This certainly sets up to be a good one. Obviously, as we hear today, it's a hot condition. We're expecting to see some good football. If not, a few fans are already on their heels to throw complaints at the players. So we're expecting to have a good day. So as we look forward to see what's going to happen where the starting lineups are concerned, let's first have a look at the away team starting lineup. The Black Lion FC, as you can see, we have one, Raheem Pantry, Romeo Berry, Beach, Travis Bennett, Rasheen Myers, Myrie, Demarley Dawkins, Tyrone Mullins, Shawayne Barrett, Daniel McKenzie, Norvin Evans, and Kwande Level. Let's have a look at the home team, see their starting lineup. Old Harbour Bay United. As we get that team sheet up now, this is the Old Harbour Bay United starting lineup. We have Troy Cummins, Raheem Barrett, Daniel Leng, captain, Aaron Allen, Duchesne Francis, Marquise Campbell, Davian Henry, Kemar Coley, Atiba McCog, Prince Rowe, and David Lewis. That's the starting lineup for both teams as they set to walk out to kick off this encounter. Both teams make entrance to the field of play. Shaw, let me listen. I'll send this to your email, the picture to me. Oh, it's started? It's started? Oh, you want to get you the monkey? Oh, come on. Message copy. As we so we set off to a bit of bumpy start. Referees do their necessary checks. Black Lion already ready. As you see, Old Harbour United making their early prayers. Quite a long prayer by Old Harbour. All right, they're getting ready, set to kickstart this one. Referee makes his necessary check. Coach for Black Lion, Wolver Wolf. And we kickstart the play. Early intention here by Black Lion. They dart down the far side. Look for support. Early infringement there. Throwing to Old Harbour down the far side. And that's a foul there from Berry. Free kick here for Old Harbour United. Goes long, over the top. Solid header there in the midfield. Nice pass here from Mary, trying to get in behind. Goalkeeper is early out. Here comes Black Lion. Looking for support. Taken away there. Goes wide. Black Lion. Long pass here. Chip inside from Barrett. Goes around. Keeper made an error there. The tempo for this game is certainly a high one. Black Lion trying to retain, Olaba trying to retain some possession here. High press from the Black Lion team. Chip inside. Nice work. Mackenzie involved in that one. Free kick to Olaba. Good. All right. Nice work. Interception. Here comes nice work from Mary. Lovely intensity there from the Black Lion team with the press. Straight back to the goalkeeper. Keeper controls. Intense press. Oh, that was quite close. Pass inside. Nice control there. Here comes Olaba in possession. Slip. Error there. Chance here. Can Black Lion capitalize on this? Goes inside. That's nice work. Taken away. Good defensive work there. Black Lion with server position. Nice work. Here comes Black Lion again. Try to find the back post. There is Barrett. Taken down nicely. Referee said that's an infringement. Quite an interesting kickoff so far. As expected, the first half of this game definitely has a fairly decent level of intensity. Might see a water break in this one. Clearance here from Beach. In the right back position. Pass inside. Over the top. Nice here, Mullins. Gets inside. A bit too heavy there as goalkeeper. Cummins just claimed that one nicely. Here comes Olaba. Goes inside. Nice. Nice splinter from the back from Olaba. A technically composed team. Nice work there. Nice forward movement. Here comes Leng. Goes out wide. Cross inside to the far post. And nice work again from Beach. Looking very comfortable in the right back position as mentioned. Here comes Olaba. Playing the ball around nicely. Oh. Almost a major error there. Regain back possession nicely. Here comes Olaba again as he turns. Nice turns. Looks inside, trying to find Captain Leng. Barrett. Yeah. Beach, you take the throw. Goes on long. Find Mullins. Goes out again. Throwing again to Black Lion. Over the top clearance there from the defender. Nice attempt there from Mackenzie. Olaba showing a lot of patience with possession. Black Lion very, very direct. Nice touch inside. Nice. Oh, and the referee said it's an offside. Big opportunity here. I don't think that they would not want to make that mistake again. Throw it on the line. Here comes Leng. Quite an active player. If you don't know, that's Leng Media. On IG, you can check him out. Big booted there from Henry. Actually just go straight out of play. Strong figure. Maybe showcasing his strength more than anything else. Bless up. Nice work there. As he's been hustled, it's Mackenzie again. Who has been very, very active so far in his first minutes. Mackenzie and Barrett. And Myrie, who have been the three more active players for Black Lion. Yeah. Long pass inside the box. Clearance here by the defenders. Leng, challenge for that one. And Leng is taken out. Infringement again on Mackenzie. Henry again to send over this one. Will he boot it out again? Pass inside, find Leng. Goes out wide. Pass inside, Mackenzie. Goes long. Trying to find Mullins. Ball is in the air, taking a while to settle. As Mackenzie climbed for that one, the referee said no, that was illegal. Olaba with a free kick here. Over the top. Challenge here. Nice work. Myrie. Again. Oh, intercepted nicely. Rigid tackle coming in from Allen. Meach to take the throw in. As he goes on the line. Support is there. Here comes Myrie. Oh, nice pass here. It's Mullins. Mullins goes across. And the finish. Beautiful attempt. Oh my word. Bennett. With a lovely attempt. Just slightly off the mark. Goalkeeper fully stretched as well. Cummins did make an attempt of that one. Here comes Henry. Looking for support. Goes to Cummins. Back to Henry. As mentioned, Olaba is quite good where possession is concerned. But Black Lion is way, way more direct than they are. Here comes Olaba now, playing the ball over nicely as mentioned. Finding space everywhere. It's a long pass inside the central area. Mackenzie. Nice work there. Here comes Olaba again. Nice turn. Goes inside and he's taken down. Referee said that one was illegal from Berry. Both teams trying to take this thing out of the game. Back to the goalkeeper. As Old Harbour try to progress this ball in the central spaces. As mentioned, yes, a bit direct in the central spaces. Pass outside. Nice work there. Defenders there, and Pantry come and claims that one quite easily. Pantry is one of the goalkeepers who is on the shorter side of things, but quite competent in goal. Very, very active. Barrett out wide. Mackenzie. Nice pass here. Ooh, collision. Huge collision there, referee said. Offside. Free kick to Olawa Bay United. Henry goes out wide. Giving away again. Back to Henry. From Lewis. Interception there. Mackenzie. Very, very active. Mullins. Referee said foul. And referee is not liking what he's seeing there. And it's Lewis. Getting another warning. Another physical encounter by Lewis. Very, very active in those in the mid park. Level goes out wide to find Beach. Beach with that one to the back post. Nice work there. Oh my word, you can see the frustration from Dawkins. Mish again. Dawkins thought that he could have gotten something there. His pocket was picked by his own teammate. Goes across to Henry. Henry has support. Pass inside. Nice bit of fluid movement here from Old Harbour Bay. Goes out wide. Nice work. Here comes Old Harbour Bay. It's McCog. Goes out wide. Back inside. Cross that one to the back post. Nice work. Finds inside. Clearance there from Mackenzie. Here comes Old Harbour. Support. Fancy footwork here from Allen. Goes out of play. Allen did well here, but unfortunately his own teammate couldn't get that one in. Oh, come, nice work there to beat Leng. Barrett is a bit disappointed in how they're trying to progress the ball. He did exchange between Barrett and Mitch. Mackenzie. A foul here on Henry. On Bennett. Mitch on this one. That's a wonderful whipper. Will he go inside? Pass inside. Barrett. Myrie. Holds up the ball nicely. Goes to Mitch. Mitch back to Myrie. Captain to captain challenge here. It's Leng versus Myrie. Goes across. Oh, missed kick there. There's a chance. Oh my word. Bennett had a wonderful opportunity there, but could not capitalize on it. McCog. Nice at holding up the ball, giving away to Mackenzie. Mackenzie goes inside. Support is here, finds Mary. Mary goes back to Mackenzie. Mackenzie's through. Will he get a shot? Can't get off a shot. Unfortunately, both players colliding. Getting each other's way. Oh, giving away. Chance, chip to the back post. Here comes Barrett. Will go a goal. Goes out, back again to Barrett. Barrett goes across goal. And no one to pressure the ball right there. Oh, here comes McCloud. Nothing there, referee said. And he said a foul. A foul on Evans. Referee assessing the game and taking command of the situation. Calling Nietzsche and McCog having a discussion. You can see the referee taking control of the situation. This is good play by the referee. Because the midfield has been very, very active so far since the start of the game. Good intent here from the referee, letting know that, hey, we want a clean game. Pass here from Mitch. Goes across. Henry was in good position. Here comes Old Harbour. Down the right side. Taken away. Referee said that's a foul on Coley, as he was pulled back in his track by Dawkins, it seems. Tactical foul, we call those one. In time to come, they'll say you're going to get a blue card for that. We'd love to see how that one work out. Whip inside. Straight to goalkeeper Pantry. As it goes long. That's actually good distribution from Pantry. As he finds Mullins. And someone is down. Seems like Berry's out. .18 of play here. This game is actually moving quite fast, actually. You're watching, if you're just joining, you're watching on MG Sports TV. You're tuning in live at the St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition, where we have Old Harbour Bay United versus Black Lion FC. 19 minutes of play. Very, very good encounter. Good football we've seen so far. Referee to restart the play here from a drop ball position. Barrett, as he puts on Barrett's foot. Barrett to Meach. Meach looks inside for support. It's level. Nice pass from level to find Barrett. Barrett gets past his man. Goes around, nice pass here. It's Mullins. Chance here. Back to the back post. Oh my word. Not sure what the intent was from Mullins. If it was going at goal or going to back post to find his teammate. But the ball literally went in between. But time and time again, Black Lion seems to be getting in behind the defense of the Old Harbour Bay United team, but cannot capitalize on these situations that they have in hand. Mackenzie. Barrett is there. A tricky figure. Goes out wide to find Mullins. Mullins with a lot of pace. And said that's an infringement. That's a foul on play. Back inside from Meach. Evans. Taken away. Lewis goes out to row. Giving away there. It's Mackenzie. Goes a shot and the goalkeeper fumbles. And he goes out for a corner. Mackenzie has been very, very active. And this is a free, it's actually a goal kick. As Olaba restarts play. Goes inside. And Henry could not keep that one in. Unfortunately. Black Lions ramp up the pressure. And the referee said that's a foul throw from Berry. And referee said water break here. In the 22nd minute of play. So far, definitely quite an interesting encounter. First break of play here for rehydration. And as I mentioned, the humidity is turned up. The referee said restart of play here. Set to restart the play now. Through inside. Switch up play here. Nice work. Here comes. That's beautiful work. Allen, as he looks inside. Goes around now. Interception by level. Goes long over the top. That's nice. Good work there. Bennett. It's Bennett. Mary is there for support as he finds Mullins. Mullins goes wide to find Barrett. Can he goes across? Can he find his support? Support is here. Barrett. Nice work from Barrett. Goes across the goal. Cut back. Chance here. And no one is here as Captain Leng picks up that one. Mackenzie. Chance and chance again. Nice work there from McCog. Leng goes out wide. Nice work there again. Throw. Goes back. Leng getting heavily involved now. Trying to take the game by scruff of leg. Lewis goes out wide to McCock. Poor control there from McCock. Taken away from Mary. And a tackle there. And referee said no more. After 2 warnings, referee said he's not having any more. Said he's not having any more. After 2-1, referee said no more. That's it for you. And issued his first yellow card of the game. He goes to Atiba. Levels to take this. Goes long over the top. Clearance there by the Olaba Bay United defense. I've been standing very, very strong so far this encounter. Withstanding the force of the Black Line front line, who have been very, very dangerous. Goes across. And the referee said that's a corner. Jordan. Press it back. Press it back. Table. Quick corner, Bart. Taken away. Nice work there. Beautiful work from Coley. And a long pass that goes straight to the goalkeeper. Oh, that's bad. Here comes Atiba. Goes out wide. Chance here for Ola Babe. Goes straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Nice work. Nice position from the goalkeeper. Beach. Goes inside. As he goes out wide. Nice work there. Leng now. Good work from Len as he switch a play. Goes out wide. Every touch here from Lewis. Here comes Barrett. Goes inside. Chance here again. Meach. Goes out wide. It's Henry. Nice work there as it goes inside. That's nice work from Henry. Here comes McCog. Goes on wide. Fortunately, couldn't keep that one in. Foul here, referee said. Referee sees that he needs some assistant. It's Evans. Was hoping that it's nothing too serious for this one. As you approach half an hour, it's Old Harbour United. Old Harbour Bay United, my apologies. 0. Black Lion FC 0. It's in Catching Football Association Major League competition. We're at Marley Acres. Wonderful compound. Not a bad pitch as well. Here comes Black Lion. Nice work there. Mullins is in behind. Challenge here by Lewis. Mullins goes to the byline. Gets a cross in. No one is here. On the back post. Every touch. Can he get a shot? Shot to the back post. That's a beautiful finish. Wonderful finish from Dawkins. Brilliant. Magnificent goal. Brilliant build-up play from the Black Lion FC team. And Evans, my apologies, Damarley Dawkins was there to finish off a wonderful bit of work. As I have to say, Mullins did a lot of work there to get in behind and then to get that ball across. Definitely some wonderful stuff here from Black Lions FC. As the referee restarts the play, that's brilliant bit of work, bit of play there. I have to say, intricate passes from the defense leading to the attack, where they capitalized on a chance. It was coming, it was actually coming. It was clear that a lot of the chances that were being created by Black Lions. Unfortunately, that finishing touch was missing. And for that moment, Dawkins picked something out of the bag. A brilliant finish, hitting the ball to the back post. Clearance here. Pass, that's a nice pass. Here comes Allen. Heavy touch. Leng goes out. Barrett goes out wide. Allen again. Very busy for the Old Harbour Bay United team. As he tries taking the ball away. Here comes Mullins again. Look inside. Find Barrett. And Barrett couldn't take that one in his stride. Passing behind. Fortunately, that would have been offside. McCluck. Nice first touch. Clearance here from Evans. I thought he almost injured himself, but I would have been a bit careless. Game getting a bit heated as Bear comes into that one. A bit feisty now on the half-hour mark. Flick pass, nice work there. Taken down, nice, beautiful work. Goalkeeper comes and claims that one. As Bennett trying to get into piece of the action as well. Boot this one out. McClug is there. giving the defense a torrid time. A lot of work for Berry and Evans. He's a powerful figure. Back pass here. We take a shot. Goes out wide. Referee is involved in the play there. Lewis. Too many touches there. Cross here by Barrett. Drop shot. Goes out of play as Mackenzie get a bit flustered there. Barrett with the throw in to Lewis. Giving away. Here comes Mullins. Goes inside. Nice touch there. Back 1-2 pass. It is Mullins 1v1 with the finish. The beautiful finish from Mullins. Wonderful work there from Black Lion FC as they make it 2-0. Black Lion FC executing as expected now, as the game says, 2 in just 5 minutes, 29 or 28 minutes of play, 0-0, and in 5 minutes we're 2-0 up. Mullins with a nice finish, beautiful 1-2 pass between Mullins and Mackenzie. Bennett also involved in that one. Possible offside there, but was not seen by the officials. But what am I to say? We restart play here. No. The game gets heated. Full over. They trying to play the ball from back again. They started off. And here from Captain Leng. Here comes McClug. Goes out wide to Allen. Allen has support, has Barrett in for support. Goes to Barrett. Back to Lewis. Put that one now by Lewis. Taken away. That's how they lost the first ball again. Goes inside. Here comes Bennett. Bennett goes inside. That's a nice pass from Bennett to find Dawkins. Dawkins is in. Cuts it back. Loses footing. Nice work there. Goes in behind. Taken away easily. Mackenzie. Evans goes inside. Bennett goes wide. Pass. Trying to go in behind. Henry. Oh, miscommunication there. Henry. It feels like Olababe has thrown a towel. Lewis looking for support, looking for movement. No movement. Henry. Allen beaten there. Here comes Beach. Nice work there. Switch of play. Oh, and he goes straight to the bench of the Black Lions team. Referee said foul throw again. What is happening there? Foul throw at this stage of the footballing, if you're a footballing career. Clearance there from level. Allen, quite busy. Here comes Leng, looking for support. Goes to defense as Leng goes and trying to receive. And the goalkeeper goes down in pantry. The referee goes to assess the goalkeeper. But just joining us, the game is Black Lions FC 2-0 ahead of Olababe United. We're at the Marley Acres Sports Complex, as mentioned at the Ministry of Education. Quite a nice facility. As a goalkeeper, get a bit of attention. Good time for a bit of tactical nuance will be given by each coaches. As the referee sets to restart the play. I think it's going to be a drop ball situation again. Should be a drop ball situation. As we restart play, here comes Olaba now, taken away easily there. Bennett goes out wide. That's nice pass here. Look for support. Nice work there. Goes for a shot from way out, and the ball logs in the air. And that one looks a bit scary. As we approach just minutes to the finishing of the first half, Harbour United trying to play from back. Goes inside, here comes Leng. Nice work from Leng. Bennett goes out wide, here comes Myrie. Goes onto the line. That's good tackle in there. Very good work from the captain, Leng. And the referee said that is a corner. That looks... Cross to the back post. Knocked out. All right, tell him. Mish. Flick there to find Bennett. Mackenzie. Clock dropping a lot deeper than you'd expect. That's a nice pass trying to find Allen. Clearance here. Mackenzie now. Wonderful turn from Mackenzie. Oh, nice work there, Mackenzie. As he tries to get in behind. That's nice work there. Here comes Lewis. Double team. And he gets rid of two. Allen, move to the wide. Allen is here. Lewis is still there. Beach versus Allen. Allen goes to the line. It's a tricky figure. Allen goes across. That's a nice cross though. Clearance here from the black line centre back. Here comes Lewis. Time and space. Referee is in the way. Unfortunately. Here comes Mullins. Barrett is here. And the referee said that is a foul. Yo. Yeah. No, come here, see. Bennett dropping a lot deeper than you expect for a striker. Level. Oh, heavy touch there. Ball goes out of play. And he's tucked back. Referee said, assistant said offside. I'm getting information about it. Pass inside. Fine, Leng. Referee said restart of play, maybe take it a bit too fast. A bit of warning there for the Harbour midfielder. Francis. Switch up play there. Straight to Rowe. Mackenzie. Mary. Goes out wide. Back inside to Mackenzie. Lewis is pressuring him. Goes inside. Nice for Murray. Oh, Leng. Referee said that's a foul there. Even though I thought that Leng read that one really nicely. Nice. No, I can't mute. Can't make the commentary. Level stands over this one as he's going for a free kick. Quick one there, Myrie. Back to Levels. Support is there, goes right across the beach. Meach in possession. Over the top. It's a nice pass. Mackenzie attacks it. Center goal now as Bennett actually trying to get in behind the defenders. A bit of mistake there from the defenders. Nice touch here to Barrett. Goes out of play. Throw inside. And it's taken down. The referee said that is offside. Isn't a throw? Isn't a throw? What happened there? That's definitely a throw. Goes out. Nice take there from McClug, Atiba to find Leng. Goes across and no one is there and Pancho goes across. So claim that one nicely. In the attacking third, Harbour Bay is a bit numb, not offering much. Build-up play is quite nice, but once it gets into the final third, that is where they suffer. Touch here. Nothing is there. Taken down by Mullins. Harbour Bay boots that one on long. Oh, that's a bit heavy there. Trying to find Rowe. Unfortunately, too much was on that pass. We're going to the final seconds of the first half, regular time of the first half. Throw in. And boot down, referee said, is that a foul again? Referee said that an infringement there. Not sure what happened. Throw it. Chance there for Harbour to get something right. And that goes out for a goal kick. "45 minutes of play here. Referee put the whistle to his mouth. Seems that there won't be any addition. And that is it. It's offside. Surprised that there's no minutes added on because there was a few stoppages. Definitely a few stoppages. And it's offside, people. It is Harbour Bay United 0, Black Lion 2. Certainly a good first half encounter. Fiery start from the All Harbour United team. Unfortunately, they didn't have any teeth up front. They didn't have any teeth up front to put away those chances that they would have gotten. And Black Lion was fierce in front of goal. Seized the opportunity twice and make brilliant use of it. It is in the St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. As we are at Marley Acres, it is All Harbour Bay United 0, Black Lions 2. Tune in and join us again for our second half. And we're back for the second half. At this present moment, supposed to expecting a very, very good second half for this one. Intriguing second half actually. As the referee look at his watch to kickstart this one. Definitely should be an enthusing encounter now. Let's see if Old Harbour Bay can come back for this time around and make something of this half. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be very, very interesting to see what the Old Harbour Bay United team is made up of. Can they find back something in this one? Referee looks at his watch, set to kickstart the second half. Definitely fairly good, decent support base out in the evening. Preparation are being met. Some tactical change, and we're half for the second half now. Let's see if there's going to be something different here from the Old Harbour team. Heavy pass here. Nice taking. Oh, and he's taken down as Bennett was taken out by Campbell. Quite a dangerous one. Turn on the back. That was an early intent there by the Old Harbour Bay United defense to show that they're not taking anything for granted this time around. Free kick here. Bit of discussion being had here by the Black Lions players. Myrie is there. Mullins is there. Mullins walk away actually. Barrett is there. Dawkins is there as well. Who's going to take this one? Berry, Mullins, Barrett, and Dawkins. Will there be a set piece? We'll take it as a keeper. Crouch. See if he can take this one nicely. Shot there. Beautiful try and a wonderful save there from the goalkeeper. Brilliant save from the goalkeeper. It's a nice, really nice save from the goalkeeper. As he pounds across to get that one out of his own net. Barrett. Dawkins whip that one in to the back post. And it's a good try. It's going in. Oh, and he books at the post. Oh my word, it's so unfortunate. And he goes out for a throw. And it's Mullins. That was quite close. Keeper goes out to his left back support. As they go right around. Inside. Row. Goes back out wide to Barrett. Leng. 1-2 pass there from Leng. As he looks inside. Nice pass. Barrett. Nice work. Here comes Leng. Leng showing a lot of intent here. Oh, heavy touch here from Leng. Level. Goes out as he take that one out. Goalkeeper takes that one quick. Goes out wide. to row. Taken away there. That's a nice pass. Dawkins cuts inside. He's taken down. Chip to the back post. Oh, Bennett is there. Support is there. Bart is in support. Try to go inside. Bart still in possession. Looking for support. Bennett is there for support. Bart goes out to Bennett. Oh, I did dummies that one. Meach. Nice work there. Taken away. Here comes Coley. Oh. That was real poor there from Coley. Here comes Mary. Captain. Big switch there. As Mullins is complains that he was on. Leng goes out. Nice tackle here from the. Oh, it's Mullins as inside. And the fumble here by the goalkeeper. No confidence in the centre back. Corner here. Oh, Mary. Dawkins. Tackle there. Referee said that's a throw in same way. Still in possession for Black Lion. Early intent here. Shown for Black Lion in the second half. Clearance. Dawkins. Nice work from Dawkins. Dawkins, one touch there. Mary goes inside. Nice pass here. And clearance here from Leng. Leng is working extremely hard. He's doing the attacking. He's doing the defending. He's literally everywhere on the pitch. Corner here. Black Lions again. Whipped in to the far post. Oh, unfortunately Level couldn't get that one in. A lot of support here. All Harbour Bay United find it difficult. Come out their own half. Play on the wide going down. Nice work there. Goes out wide. Here comes Leng now. In the attack now. And it's Leng again. Every touch here. And he's taken down. And the referee said that is a foul. Taken quickly. Chance here. Go across one. Get it, that's a nice work there to get across the goal. And goalkeeper cleaned that one nicely. It's Pantry. Two players are down on the floor. It's McClug again. Atiba has been a thorn so far in the defense, in the Black Lion FC defense. Keep out a cap on. You can see that the sun is in his face. Booted long by the goalkeeper. Taken down by Lewis. Goes inside. Pass. That's a pass inside. Decisive pass. Goalkeeper did nice there. Goes inside and the referee said that is a foul. Seems some need of medical attention. Breaking play here. Second half start. Nothing changed from the first half. Do think that the intent from the Old Harbour Bay United team has stepped up, but just the final third, that incisive pass to pull the Black Lion defense apart is lacking. And that is where they're falling short at this moment. So I look to restart play here. Terence here. Here comes Black Lions again. Mary goes inside to find Mackenzie. Nicely taken. Big switch trying to find. Here comes Campbell. Marino again. Pass inside. Nice touch here from Bennett as he goes out wide. Cut back. Nice work. Wonderful work there from Barrett. Here comes Old Harbour Bay United. Inside. Leng. Pass over on. That's a nice touch there. Dawkins. Lewis. Pass inside to Leng. Here comes Atiba. Goes out wide. Oh, and he's taken out of the equation. Chance here. And he did not do well there. Oh my word. After Allen dismissed the defender. Jordan. And he's minus out of the equation. Cross here, Campbell. Francis, I should say, sorry. Pass inside. Here comes Coley. And goes out of play for a corner. Corner here to be taken by Allen. It's inside, a short. Hit the front man at the front post. Oh, that's easy beating there. And it's Mullins. Mullins goes past two. And it's inside. Nice work there. Really good work from the centre back. And it's Lewis. Yeah, that. Look. Yeah. Jarrett. Ah, poor square. That's not a good square. From Barrett. Approaching Howard Mark. Oh, nice work from the goalkeeper. Mary. Mackenzie. Referee said that's an infringement. Foul on the ball. Someone is down. It's Smith. Half-time substitute Carlington Smith. Olababe with a free kick. I'm sure that they want to. Before it took a bit long there to restart play. Chip inside. Nice touch there from Coley. Goes out wide. Oh, nah, unfortunately, Francis couldn't hold on to that one. That's a nice pass. Here comes Mullins. Mullins goes across. And that's offside. Referee said offside there. Here comes start the play. Will have be restart. Giving away Mary. Back to Mary again. Mary back again. Cross to the back post. Bennett is there. Mackenzie. Not the best shot. The ball is not out. Here comes Dawkins. Dawkins to the back post. Oh my word! And it's Mullins. No one saw him. He came from literally nowhere. The defenders must take a huge sigh of relief right there. Pass inside, and that's straight out of play by Coley. And referee said water break again. For just joining us, we are at the Marley Acres Harbour, where we have the encounter between Harbour Bay United versus Black Lions FC in the St. Catherine FA Football Association Major League competition. A really good encounter so far. Black Lions seems to be the team showing the dominance, organized, portraying a lot of quality. Coach Wolf must be pleased with what he's seen so far from his team. Evening is kind of getting a bit cooler, so the humidity is kind of fading away. But it's customary once the first half, you get a water break in the first half, you will get the next one in the second half. Will you see any difference in the second half? As we look to restart play here. Throw in here, Mackenzie. Switch here, and the ball is out. Campbell goes on line. Dawkins. Leng goes out wide. Goes inside, back to find Leng. Oh, Leng beats one, and the referee said that is a foul. A dangerous place. Leng is a dangerous player. One of the only players that I see really trying to make something going for All Harbour Bay United team. Free kick here to All Harbour Bay United. Aaron Allen stands up for this one. Will he go at goal directly? Here comes it. Allen goes straight at goal. Oh, that was that whistle pass, the frame of the goal. That could be the last kick of the game for him. As he goes down and seeks some attention, some medical attention. He's up on his feet now. We start to play here. Goes inside. Mackenzie. Referee says that's a foul. Berry. Level to take this one. The tempo of the game kind of fades away. Intensity kind of drop a bit. Nice touch here. Here comes Mackenzie. He's in. Oh, and that's a touch. Really close to giving away a free kick, a corner kick there. Referee was in good position to make that call. Myrie in possession. Throw in here to All Harbour Bay United. And my apologies to Black Lion, actually. Booted out in there from Rowe. Clear that one. A nice work there. Here comes Smith. Cuts inside. Goes across. Smith finds McClug. And McClug leave it for Coley. Coley comes to swing the left foot and goes under the ball in a rocking chair. And that goes straight out of play. Ola, but have to find some gear, something in this one. Remember that they are at home, or they want to at least make a mark in this game. Can they? Will they? Long pass out. Ball inside. Here comes McClug, playing a bit deeper than earlier in the game. Initially was playing a striker position. He was playing more of a false 9 role. Another player down. This could be a sign of fitness. It's Berry. My apologies, Barrett. Atiba goes out wide. Find Campbell, 1-2 pass. Nothing in that one. Here comes Lewis. Nice work there. Barrett. Murray. Mackenzie. Goes right home. Calmly. Support is there. Goes right across the fine level. Heavy pass here. No effort actually. Lewis. Ola Babe playing now from the back like normal. Here comes Campbell. Look inside. To find Leng. Leng goes across. Right across the pitch. Ball goes out to play for throw into Black Lion. Bennett. Referee said that's a foul there on Bennett. Free kick to to Black Lions FC. Free kick here to Black Lions. In swinger. Keep that one in. Clearance here off the line. Mary. Knock that one out. Oh, Smith tried to take that one down. Unfortunately, didn't have the quality to do that right away. Throw in here to be taken by Meach. Beach, my apologies. Throw in again to Black Lion as they draw closer to the edge of the 18-yard for the Harbour Bay United team. Shot. And that one was actually out of the stadium. Goal kick here to Ulaba Bay United. Passing, oh, that's given away easy. Switch. Unfortunately, no one is there. Long pass, that's a wonderful pass. Straight in the palm of the goalkeeper. Keeper boots that one down. Level is there. Back in the air. Here comes Leng. Leng inside. Nice pass here. Ryan Hill, who just comes on. Campbell. And it goes out of play. Very, very frustrating from the Ulaba Bay United team in the final third. Just lacking that incisive pass, which will likely to make a difference. Level is down. Seeking some medical attention is level. Set to restart the play. Taking a bit long here. Is it a substitution? Yes, it is. Actually, a triple substitution coming on for Black Lion. Sending out some fresh legs. This might be problematic for the Ulaba Bay United team. Was been struggling. Maybe this is what the game needed. Some fresh legs to turn up the tempo. To improve on the intensity of the game. Here comes one of the fresh legs as early as possible. That can't be offside. Is it offside? How is that offside? It was Jaim right, but well, the referee said that's offside. That's a pass in behind and clearance there by the centre back. Corner here to the Ulaba Bay United team. Good pin to the front post. Here comes McClough, he can kick it. And that's not actually a good connection there. Goes again. The plays down. Seems to be a head collision or something. It's Evans, who's down. And he's down. There seems to be something wrong. He hasn't gotten up as yet. Seems to be a back injury actually. Evans. As we restart, and it's going to be a drop ball. I think the ball is actually in the Harbour United team possession. Referee might be giving some fair play to knock it back into. Referee said that's got a fall through again. That's his third now of this game. It's the weirdest game I've seen where fall through is concerned. I don't think at this stage you should be seeing these, should I say, fall through. Here comes a chance. Chance, oh my God. Poor, very, very poor from Black Lion. Opportunity to make it 3. Big opportunity to make it 3 from Black Lions. Unfortunately, oh God. And the referee said that's a foul there. Chance here for the Harbour United team to make something of it. It's a free kick in a dangerous position. Free kick here. Ryan Hill to take this one. To the back post. Chance. And it's a opportunity, big opportunity for. Did not capitalize on it. A referee sees what's happened there. Is a penalty?
It caught a long time, man.
Oh. Referee said handball.
No, go so.
Chance again to restart play. Trying to get the ball in behind, unfortunately. Nothing there. And it goes out of play. And what was that? Here comes Harbour Bay. About 2 changes made by Harbour Bay, which kind of inject some. Referee said offside again. What? No? I might need to relearn the rules. Hill. Nice interception. Nice pass here. Here comes Dawkins. Dawkins with the whip. That's not good. Oh, it's a good try there from Mackenzie. Nice. Really nice try from Mackenzie. Most of the action and the game has been dominated by the Black Lions team, but unfortunately, a lot of calls which has been I have to question what I don't know, maybe it's a angle that I'm sitting where I'm viewing the game from. But that's how it is. Goal kick here. So the Harbour United team. Substitution being made by Harbour, who's coming off. Substitution also for Black Lion. Let's restart play. Nice work. Here comes. Oh, it's a chance again. And the keeper is there sharp. Very, very sharp from the goalkeeper. Lewis goes inside the midfield. Right since coming on has been very, very active. Shot from way out. Oh my word. That was really interesting because with a short backlift, it's Javar Harris. Very, very short backlift. Fierce venom behind of it. Berry going down the line. He goes to the. As Rowe looked to make a meal of that one. Goes off for a goal kick. Dante Brown now applying some pressure. Booted out by Lewis. Clearance here. Flick inside. Right again. Back inside. Leng has been very, very busy. Extremely fit. Oh, yeah. As the time dwindles down, a free kick to Black Lions. At this present moment, two standout players so far in this game for Black Lions are in this game. Danielo McKenzie and Tyrone Mullins. Up inside. Oh my word. Trying to damage one of the vehicles behind the goal. Fierce hit though. Booted out. Here comes Mary. Nice work there. Nice attempt. Pass inside. Oh yeah, his ball is not out. Here comes Mackenzie. That's a wonderful cross. And the goalkeeper reacted that nicely. Nice first touch here. Smith. Passing behind. Taken away by Mary. Mary. Javar. Nice pass here in behind. Here comes Black Lions again. Cross. Over. Chance. And Mackenzie was trying to get here. Lewis. High press here from Black Lions. And there's a handball there. Chance here for Black Lions with a free kick. Will he go at goal? Free kick to Black Lion as we approach the 90th minute, 91st minute I should say. Free kick. Smith stands over it. My apologies, Harris. Harris runs over it. Pass inside, poor pass here from Beach. And the referee said that is it. And the game ends. That is full time. No, don't move. That is full time. And it is Old Harbour Bay 0, Black Lions 2. Very, very interesting matchup here. As the teams so that's the first matchup here for us as we seek to give you guys more coverage of what's happening here in catching Major League. As we look to talk with the man of the match, Tyrone Mullins, and speak with head coaches of both teams. So stand by for that.
9. Then you know, see you get 3. 3 enough. Get 8, 9. Who say the man last time, the skill man? Happy score goal. So we say, oh no, them play must get 2 bad because they club up the field. They must get 2. Bobo, you want blood clot too fast like yesterday. I want to say, man, it's like that could be clear.
And
Alright, yo, that. No,
turn
man, we have
this something then down.
man 10 million times better than them. That's right,
Nice
No, not that. The next one. The right hand side. Yeah, that's all. Grown will see, man. Grown will see. No, not this one, man. Next side, this one. I'll probably turn it up a little bit. You again, coach. We have book up some more time. You tired of me? Come here. Jordan, catch your frame. Good?
Side answer. Good.
Good. All right, first of all, say the name for us, coach.
Wolby Wolf, coach, Black Lions.
All right, coach, first of all, how was the game for you?
Very good game from the team. Could have scored, got a few chances, even though we won the game, could have finished by a bigger margin, but thankful for the win.
All right, coach. Basically, the game was finished in the first half. What do you think when it happened in the second half? You couldn't execute those chances.
It's just a thing that's been haunting us from the first game, that we're getting chances and we're not putting away the chances, but something that we're working on. Hopefully the next game we'll do better with that.
Your team look very, very comfortable in playing in transition. Is that something you guys work on, or is it just the type of players that you have?
To be honest, we have a really good team from last season with addition of players for this season, and it's something that we work on. It's our style of play. It's how we like to play, and hence the result.
Which game do you have coming up next?
I don't remember which team, but I know it's Sunday is the next game.
All right, bless up yourself, coach,
All right.
and well done again.
Thanks.
All right. First of all, give us a name.
Tyrone Mullins.
All right, Mullins. Brilliant performance from you. First of all, how are you feeling about that game?
It was an amazing game.
How do you think about your performance?
Wonderful.
First of all, you scored a goal. How much goal you got so far in this season? Was it the first goal?
No, that's the second goal for the season.
You have any aim for where goals are concerned for this season? How much goal you plan to score?
Yeah, this is 20 goal I want to score this season.
20 goal. First of all, do you think that Black Lion has what it takes this time around to win this competition and advance to the Tier 2 playoffs?
Definitely. We are working hard towards it.
So what's the camaraderie like in the camp? What's the team bonding like in the camp? What's the moral like?
In the camp, it's very good. We are disciplined, working hard toward reaching the Tier 2. That's our aim for this season.
All right. Well, then again, you're Tyrone. Big up yourself. Man of the match, eh?
Respect.
All right.